Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the viral ASMR cutting fruits video that's been going around. So if you go to ChatGPT first, go to GPTs. Make sure you've signed in already to your account. It doesn't have to be a plus account. Here you're going to search for GPTs, type in ASMR and select make ASMR images and prompts. Then you're going to select start chat here. Here I'm just going to type create a prompt for an ASMR cutting video on a beach where we are cutting a banana that is translucent. I'm just going to press enter here. And then once you have the prompt, I'm just going to select yes, generate me the image. And then I'm going to type in YouTube here. I'm just going to type in again. I said generate the image again after this. Then I'm going to change the color, make the banana yellow. And I'm just going to wait for it to generate again. Once it's done generating, I'm just going to save the image here. And you have to also make sure you copy and paste this prompt. Then I'm going to go to leonardo.ai and I'm going to copy and paste the prompt. Select the video one, by the way. And I also added this sentence: the knife cuts into the banana and makes a shrieking glass cutting sound, and the glass banana falls on the board and breaks. Then I am going to just add the image of the banana that we saved just now. This one. Still uploading. Then I am going to select generate. As you can see, I don't have enough, but you're just going to select generate and you'll have that ASMR video. But that is it. Unfortunately, again, I can't show it to you guys because I don't have enough tokens. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.